Innovative methods of teaching in primary. Innovative methods of teaching are methods of teaching that involve new ways of interaction between teachers, students, a certain innovation in practical activity in the process of mastering educational material. It is rightly said by Swami Vivekananda, education is the manifestation of perfection already in man. Some of the innovative methods of teaching in primary education is the light that shows mankind of right direction to search. If primary education fails to inculcate self discipline and commitment in the students, it is not entirely their fault. Education needs to be portrayed as a sport. It should be associated with the students with excitement rather than with burden and boredom. It's definitely going to take time to bring positive change in the primary education. Still, it has to be done. Here are some innovative teaching methods that can help the teacher reinvent their education and make their classes interesting. These are creative tools teachers should use, tools which help stimulate creativity in the student. Visual exercises that captivate interest of students should be made a part of instructions. This can go a long way in bringing out innate possibilities within students, that is stencils made by students themselves. Audio and video tools. Audio visual material should be incorporated in the classes. Textbooks should be complemented with prototype, film strips, videos and pictorial materials. Infographics or other brain mapping techniques can be used. This will help in mapping the information to both left and right brains of a student. This will act as a treasure to both logic and creativity in the students. Real world examples. Infusing real world experiences into the instructions can make lectures fresh and enrich learning. Relating and demonstrating through real life situation will make the material easy to understand. It will also draw interest of many students, which is key motivation. Then brainstorming sessions. Teachers should take brainstorming session. Brainstorming sessions should always be a part of class. These are sessions when many minds express their views on one issue's problem. When multiple brains focus on one single idea, the benefits are manifold. These sessions will help the students open up. These will also help in broadening students' perspectives. Then the role play is an important part of the teaching. Role play is a great way to make children step out of their comfort zone and develop their interpersonal skills. This method comes handy when you are teaching literature, drama or history. For example, a play should definitely be enacted in the class through role play. Storyboard teaching is another way. Rudyard Kipling said, if history were taught in the form of stories, it would never be forgotten. Storyboarding is a great way to teach any subject which requires memorization or difficult visualization. History teachers can use a storyboard to recreate a famous event. Apart from ease of communication, this will again help students in developing their own storytelling techniques. Teachers can use this method in literature classes also. Then stimulating classroom environment. It's the duty of teacher to stimulate the classroom environment. Posters and paintings can help transform a dull classroom to an exciting place. These posters charts can be changed depending on the illustrations. It's sometimes even all right to take the class in open spaces. This is a practice tried and tested by proponent of alternative education of India. Teaching through flipping classroom. Flipping is the classroom is becoming an increasingly popular effective teaching methods. In this technique, the students are made active participants of the learning process by passing the onus of learning on them. It requires the teachers to relegate to the role of resources providers and the students take the responsibility of gathering concepts information. And teaching through collaboration. Another innovative method of teaching involves encouraging students' collaboration for various projects. Today, We live in a globalized world, and collaboration is an essential life skill that is important for all careers and enterprises. Teachers can help foster these skills in the classroom by allowing students to learn, study, and work in groups. Then, technology and innovative methods of teaching is also useful. The use of technology in the classroom helps to engage the students with different kinds of stimuli and creates an environment of activity based learning. It makes the content of the classroom more interesting and makes learning fun. For teachers, technology offers an endless set of resources that they can tap into depending on the needs of the students. Now, one of the biggest challenges for teachers across the ages has been to keep the students in the classroom engaged and attentive to the content that is being taught. Today is the age of COVID 19, learning in the age of COVID 19. Today, the world is changing once more as work from home and learn from home is the new mandate in almost every part of the world. In this scenario, schools have adopted virtual classroom as a new norm, and educators are making every valiant effort to keep educating kids as best as they can. Yeah, the online teaching through Google Meet. I am taking my class through Google Meet. This is a best performed platform to interact with the students and deliver information. Not only teachers are teaching through Google Meet or WebEx, they are also taking assessment through Google Forms and various methods adopting their. Thank you so much.